But I came that together we will make history. Beginning with you in here, through to all those out there. Therefore, do not just hear me out, but listen and do not be panic-stricken. For we will talk about tech needs girls. To begin with, when I say tech needs girls, you respond, let's keep the fun private. Tech needs girls.
Let's keep the fun private.
Your voices are low. Let me hear you all being at the background. After all, the ladies are large and in charge. Tech needs girls.
Let's keep the fun private.
Girls are doing it better than the women. Yes, let's keep the fun private. But the $1 trillion question is how? Yes, how? The how is when we share the vision with a like-minded passion, living each day and the night abreast with technology, knowing how technology positively affects our lives as a people. For through this, we as girls, women, and ladies will contribute our quota to make our world a more better place. For how long will our nudity keep featuring on screens? Day and the night, pictures of people who do scream. The time is now. Let us see how we can solve out the how. Throw in your lot. Share in the vision. Let the pages of recorded history bear witness that you stood for tech needs girls. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and everybody in this house stood for tech needs girls. Thank you.